Okay, so we have a leak on this hot tub, or this pool rather, that's all the way up there. So it's about a 15-foot elevation change from the top to the bottom, and it's leaking right here. Okay, now this brings us to our repair. It looked like this was going to be pretty simple. Just undo the valve cover and replace the gasket. I figured I'd be able to hold it down. Boy, was I wrong. This turned into a major mistake and quite a repair. So follow along, I'll show you how I ended up getting this thing fixed. Took some ingenuity and an old trick a good buddy of mine taught me. Richard, he's done lots of plumbing, and this was a great tip. Let's run upstairs. We'll take a look at this right quick. You'll be surprised at how big this pool is and how much force there is down the stairs. Wait for it. Wait for it. Blam. Hard to believe this little pool of water can generate that much problem. So what I've got to do here is somehow close off the jets, and I believe there's 8 of them, 2 on each side, to get the water to stop long enough for me to change that O-ring. Normally I would just get some plugs. We've got some blow-up plugs, but I don't have enough to do this, so I'm going to try something different. I'm going to use a little plastic bag. Fortunately, I brought my lunch today and had some extra little Ziploc baggies, but I'm going to put a bag over these jets and see if it'll be enough to stop the water flow so that I can get in there and make the repair. So basically just going to put a little piece between the outer part and the inner part of the jet. Should be enough to block off the flow. Let's see if it works. Okay, that is the last one. I actually plugged all 8 of them, but I only showed the one in the video, but did them all the same way. So let's go back down, check it out, see what we got. It doesn't really look much better. Okay, at this point, I really don't have any choice but to try to do it and see if it's going to work. So I'm going to just take it apart. Okay, at this point right here, I thought I was in deep trouble because it seems like it's speeding up. And now I really don't know how in the world I'm going to get this thing back together. And right here, I was just shocked. You can see the water's actually slowing down, and unbelievable. It's working! I'm going to tell you, if you could have seen my face right now, you've never seen joy like that, because I did not think I was going to be able to get this thing back together without draining the complete hot tub up above. Okay, last little bit to finish it up. I got the new O-ring on the lid so it would quit leaking. Just going to put the screws back in there real quick, and then we'll go start it back up. Why is that not going in? Oh, remove the old one. As you can see, looks like I forgot to take the old one out before I put the new one in. Let's see if that works. I replaced the O-ring in that valve and it's stopped leaking. You're back in business. Guys, we're off to the next one. 2 down, 1 to go. I'm glad that leak, we were able to get it fixed before it turned into something major. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully, if I'm lucky, we will see you in the next one. Be sure and hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you soon. Have a great week.